This clock is slow. Hard to believe that this thing is half a decade old, but it is. And then the same way with my air conditioner downstairs, hard to believe that that's 18 years old. And the furnace, well, the furnace is 15 years old. So yeah. I don't know. We will see, guys. We will see how long our air conditioner lasts, because I mean, right now it's a R22, and R22 has been phased out. I'm not sure how much is left and how much R22 will actually cost to fill up, if we can actually get it filled up. But I mean, as long as our compressor lasts, that's the main thing. The compressor and the coil. Those are the two main things.